Thank you so much for tuning in to the Keto Bistro. So we're looking at no-carb fish. We're going to use frozen fish. You can use fish that's not frozen. We're just going to thaw it out. And I'm going to show you the type of fillets here. They just come individually frozen, so you'll let them thaw out before you put them in the almond milk and egg.
Marinate the fish fillets in a beaten egg with a little almond milk to get them wet so that the batter will stick. This is the whey powder that you can see has 0 carbs. Here are the nutritional facts. This is what you will batter the fish fillets in. It is whey powder with some salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to help the fillets fry crispier. Roll the fish and coat it in the protein powder, and then put it in the pan in hot olive oil. Continue to fry the fish fillets until they are a golden brown.
I went ahead and took a picture of my plate so you could see what I ate for the entire meal. Delicious, better than you could get at any restaurant. Green beans, tomatoes, ketchup, slaw. Under 8 net carbs, 2 large fish fillets. Delicious. You really couldn't get a better meal. And all the colors on the plate make it beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you haven't hit the bell to receive continued updates, please do so. Thank you for watching the Keto Bistro.